Stop settling for a mop that just moves dirt from one side of the room to the other. We have all been there, standing over a sticky spill with a paper towel and realizing there has to be a better way to live. When you look at the latest technology for keeping your floors spotless, two specific models really stand out. But they are built for very different lifestyles. The standard model is your daily driver. It provides a solid level of suction that easily picks up the crumbs from breakfast or the dust that settles near the baseboards. It uses a clever system that vacuums up the debris while mopping the floor in one single motion. You are effectively cutting your cleaning time in half. The brush roller even washes itself as you move, so you are always using a clean surface on your tiles or hardwood. It is a massive upgrade over a traditional setup where you are constantly dipping a dirty mop into even dirtier water. But if you step up to the professional version, the experience changes completely. You get a 20% increase in raw suction power. That sounds like a technical stat, but in reality, it means the machine is pulling dirt out of deep crevices and grout lines that the standard model might miss. It feels more like a deep cleaning tool than a surface sweeper. The battery life is another area where the jump is noticeable. You go from 30 minutes of cleaning time to 40. In a large house, those 10 minutes are the difference between finishing the job and having to park the machine on the charger while your floors are still half wet. The professional model also tackles the biggest enemy of every vacuum owner: tangled hair. It features a sophisticated system with sharp scraper teeth and a reinforced brush. This design actively prevents long strands of hair or pet fur from wrapping around the roller and choking the motor. Instead of spending your Sunday morning picking hair out of a brush with a pair of scissors, you just empty the tank and move on with your day. There's also the matter of sheer physical force. The advanced unit puts about 45% more downward pressure on the floor. It is like the difference between a light wipe and a firm scrub. This extra weight ensures that dried-on stains and sticky residue actually lift off the surface rather than staying stuck to the floor. Both of these machines are surprisingly quiet, so you do not have to worry about waking up the whole house or scaring the dog while you tidy up. The standard version is lighter and feels a bit more agile, which is perfect for smaller apartments or quick spot cleaning after dinner. The advanced model feels more stable and robust, designed to handle the heavy lifting of a busy family home. Maintenance is straightforward across the board, with easy-to-remove tanks for clean and dirty water. Choosing between them comes down to the level of chaos you are fighting every day. If you want a reliable, smart way to keep things tidy without the hassle, the entry model is a dream. If you have pets, kids, and a lot of floor to cover, the extra muscle in the professional version is a total game changer. You are not just buying a vacuum, you are reclaiming your weekend and making sure your home actually feels clean under your feet. It is about working smarter, not harder, and letting the machine do the heavy lifting while you focus on anything else. Whether you go for the nimble daily version or the high-pressure professional unit, the days of the old-fashioned bucket and mop are officially over. Your floors will thank you, and your back probably will too.